Ever wondered why common health issues keep recurring despite modern medicine? Could natural remedies be the missing piece of the puzzle? In this era of fast-paced living and quick fixes, more and more people are turning to the ancient wisdom of natural remedies. These remedies, often derived from plants, have been used for centuries to promote well-being and treat a variety of health conditions. Today we delve into the fascinating world of one such remedy, rosemary water. Rosemary, a fragrant herb native to the Mediterranean, is more than just a kitchen staple. It's been a cornerstone of traditional medicine, credited with a range of health benefits. And when infused in water, it serves as a potent yet gentle wellness elixir. So what makes rosemary water so special, you ask? Well, there are at least 7 compelling reasons we've found. Keep watching to discover the 7 reasons why you might want to start sipping on rosemary water. First on our list, rosemary water may enhance your digestive health. The aromatic herb rosemary, when infused in water, can work wonders on your digestive system. You see, it has anti-spasmodic properties, which can help to soothe an upset stomach and relieve symptoms of indigestion. If you're often troubled by a bloated feeling, rosemary water might be your savior. The herb is known for its anti-inflammatory effects, reducing bloating and relieving discomfort in your gut. But the benefits don't stop there. Rosemary water is also believed to promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This is key, as a healthy gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestion and overall health. It's amazing how a simple herb can offer such profound benefits, isn't it? So, if you're struggling with digestive issues, a glass of rosemary water could be just what you need. Number 2 on our list, rosemary water may help sharpen your mind. It's not just an old wives' tale. There's scientific evidence to back this up. Studies suggest that rosemary, the key ingredient in our rosemary water, can improve both memory and concentration. And how does this happen, you ask? It's largely due to its antioxidant content. These antioxidants have the potential to protect your brain cells from damage. They fight off free radicals, which are harmful particles that can lead to cell damage, including those in your brain. This in turn helps to enhance mental clarity and cognitive function. Furthermore, the scent of rosemary has been linked to improved mood and mental performance. So, not only does drinking rosemary water potentially boost your memory and concentration, but just the aroma of it can uplift your mental state. It's fascinating, isn't it? The power of nature is truly remarkable. Feeling forgetful? Try sipping on some rosemary water. Moving on to benefits 3 and 4, rosemary water may lift your spirits and give your skin a healthy glow. Think about those times when you're feeling a bit low or stressed. The aromatic compounds in rosemary are known to stimulate the senses and uplift the mood. It's like a natural mood enhancer that can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of well-being. Now let's talk about your skin. Who doesn't want a healthy, glowing complexion? The antioxidants found in rosemary can help protect your skin cells from damage. They fight off harmful free radicals that can lead to premature aging. Plus, the anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary can help soothe skin inflammation and redness. It's a natural way to promote skin health and enhance its appearance. So whether you're looking for a pick-me-up on a gloomy day or seeking a natural way to enhance your skin's health, rosemary water could be your answer. For a mood boost and glowing skin, why not try a glass of rosemary water? Benefits 5 and 6. Rosemary water may be a secret weapon for your hair and immune system. Now let's dive into the details. For starters, rosemary is rich in carnosic acid, a substance known to stimulate hair growth. It revitalizes hair follicles, enhances circulation, and fosters the growth of longer, stronger strands. So if you've been dreaming of luscious locks, consider giving rosemary water a try. But that's not all. Rosemary water is also a powerhouse for your immune system. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, it can help combat free radicals in your body, those pesky molecules that can cause damage to cells and contribute to aging and diseases. And with its anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary water can help to soothe internal inflammation, further strengthening your body's natural defenses. So, for luscious locks and a strong immune system, consider adding rosemary water to your routine. Last but not least, rosemary water may help you shed those extra pounds. Let's delve into how this aromatic herb can play a significant role in weight loss. Firstly, rosemary is known to boost metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body can burn calories more efficiently, leading to weight loss. Moreover, rosemary contains dietary fiber. This not only aids in digestion, but also helps you feel fuller for longer. This can be a real game changer when it comes to controlling your appetite and reducing those pesky cravings. In addition, rosemary water is a low-calorie beverage. Swapping out sugary drinks with rosemary water can significantly reduce your daily calorie intake, another positive step towards weight loss. It's important to remember, though, that while rosemary water can aid in weight loss, it should be part of a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. If you're looking to lose weight, rosemary water could be a beneficial addition to your diet. So there we have it, 7 health benefits of rosemary water. In this journey, we discovered how this simple yet potent infusion can enhance our everyday lives. We started with its role in improving digestion, moving on to how it boosts memory and concentration. We then delved into its mood-enhancing properties and its magic in promoting healthy skin. Not to forget, its support for hair health and its power to boost immunity. And finally, we touched upon its potential to promote weight loss. Each sip of rosemary water is a step towards a healthier you. So why not give it a try? Experience these benefits firsthand, integrate it into your daily routine, and watch the magic unfold. But remember, while rosemary water can be beneficial, it's not a cure-all. It's a piece of the puzzle in the larger picture of a balanced lifestyle. Remember, good health is a journey, not a destination. Remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Here's to your health and well-being.